So if you multiply 6 times 109, that is how much they're making every single day. What's going on, guys? Your main man James here, and in this video I want to show you a solid way to make money online using affiliate marketing. And so make sure you follow every single step in this video, because it will allow you to get free, highly targeted traffic to some high quality offers. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to figure out what kind of niche you want to go into. So if I Google best niches to make money, you're going to have really good results. Now, here I have an article, 100 plus profitable niches list for 2022. And what I like about this list is that not only do we have kind of the main niches, the weight loss and the weight gain, the muscle building, but he breaks it down into more specific categories. So for women, for men, for overweight kids, for teens, etc., etc. And this gives you a lot of latitude and really a lot of freedom, a lot of options to pick something that you're interested in. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to tell you the 3 main niches, and I'm going to tell you what kind of niche I'm going to be working with. And it's your job to kind of narrow it down if you want and go from there. So the 3 main niches is weight loss, which includes all of this, right? The other main niche is make money online. That's the second main niche. And then last but not least, we have self-improvement. That includes the dating niche. Now in this video, I'm going to be focusing on weight loss, because a lot of you have been asking me to kind of talk about that, because I've been talking about some of the other niches in the previous videos. So I want to talk about weight loss. And weight loss is obviously, there's a lot of things you can cover. That's why I really like this page. You can do just weight loss for women, for men, for overweight kids, etc. Now, depending on what you're going to be choosing, that will depend on the offers. So let me show you some of the offers we're going to be working with. So if you Google best weight loss affiliate offers, you're going to have this kind of page. I found this page, 17 best weight loss affiliate programs to promote in 2022. All right. Now you can take a look on these offers. If you like these offers, look at this, 30 to 40%, $50 for each healthy wager sign up you generate, or $30 for each team challenge participant sign up you generate. So there's a lot of interesting offers, and depending on which offer you go to, you can come back to this list and you can pick for women, for men, etc., etc. So it's really up to you. There's always demand for weight loss. You know, there's really a problem, especially in the United States, where people are becoming more overweight. It has to do with food, lack of exercise, combination of both, stuff like that. So you can pick one of these offers. You have Weight Watchers, you have that. You can check out some of these other links, and it's kind of really up to you, right? Remember, we are talking about pure affiliate marketing here. We're not talking about ClickBank, not talking about Max Bounty. We are talking about signing up to, you know, with these affiliate programs directly without going through a middleman. And so if you check out affiliate sign up link, we can kind of take a look and you can see what do they require. A lot of times they do not, they don't really care about a website. They don't care about like a screen call or anything like that. They just want, you know, they just want you to sign up, right? So take a look at this. Who are eligible to become a partner, influencers of any platform, of any size. You know, you don't need, you know, crazy amount of qualification, stuff like that. As you can see, website is optional, right? You just need, you know, name, address, country, user details. So this is going to depend on the affiliate network, right? So like with Max Bounty, they're going to Skype you and all these things. With a site like that, it's not really required, all right? The next thing you guys want to do is private label rights. It's a way to buy content and resell it. So not only buy it and own it, but also resell it. And, you know, you can use anything. So for instance, we have plr.me. Here I open this up. This is done for you PLR content for coaches that you can brand as your own. And what you guys want to do is you want to go into products and you want to get weight loss. You want to find some weight loss. So there's health, natural health. There's weight loss and fitness. Okay, so this doesn't need to be this site. It's not sponsored by the site. It could be pretty much any site. And you want to get the content they have, right? So sometimes they're going to give you free content. Other times they're gonna give, it's gonna cost you like a little bit of money. It's not gonna be expensive, right? Your other option is, of course, to write your own content. What you want to do is you want to write an ebook. So here we have an ebook, Intuitive Eating, right? There's 7 benefits of strength training, the surprising truth about, etc., etc. So all of this is absolutely fine. And what you can do is you can take this book and you can modify it, because they're going to give you in like a doc format, right? You can take this book and you can modify it. And once you load this book up in like Google Docs, you can open that up in Google Docs. What you want to do is you want to create like a resource page that looks something like this. Let me show you. All right, so you want something like this. You want to create a document that looks something like this. And feel free to use this template. It's absolutely fine. It says here, Weight Loss Journey Starter Kit. Last updated. You can update it in the current month, year, even if you want month, year, or just year. And you can begin with something like, hello, congratulations on taking the big step on becoming a healthier person. Here are some great products that will help you along your journey. And what you guys going to do is you're going to come here and you're just going to sign up for these affiliate programs or other affiliate programs here. And you're going to get your affiliate link. And what you guys want to do is, you don't want to just paste your affiliate link. So let's say you're working with this nutrition forest. You want to copy this. You want to go back and you want to paste it, right? So you want to just paste it. I'm just going to keep it in the same font here, something like this. You want to paste it and you want to delete this link and you want to do something like this. Join here. And this is going to be your affiliate link. So I'm just going to link it to google.com. just to, as an example. And then you're going to go back and you're going to do the same thing. Let's say you're working with Healthy Wage or, Maximum Slim. You can copy any of these paragraphs here. You're going to go back here. You're going to paste it. There we go. You're going to delete that and you're going to say join here. You can even make it bold. You can make it, yeah, bold looks good. Was founded. There you go. And this is going to be linked to Google. All right. Google.com. And you're going to do it maybe for 10 offers. I recommend creating like 10 offers. 5 to 10 offers. You don't want to have 50 offers. You don't want to have 2 offers. 5 to 10 offers is a good amount right here. This is kind of what you want. All the best. You can sign it as James. You can use your pen pal. You don't have to use your name. And once you're done, you want to click on File and you want to download as EPUB, okay? Because what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going to Amazon and we are going to be publishing an ebook on Amazon. So if you do this, how to lose weight, okay? You're going to see a lot of content. But if you are a little bit more clever, so for instance, you do how to lose weight fast for women, for a wedding, after 50, after 40, in your face, whatever, whatever your niche is focused on, you can have an ebook that's very, very targeted. And not only will you be selling the ebook, but you're also going to be making money with affiliate marketing, because this is going to be the first page or one of the first pages after the cover, maybe after the foreword or whatever. But typically you're going to have the cover and then this might be the first page, your personal kind of letter. You can even call it a personal letter from the author or a letter from the author, right? Something like this. That looks very, you don't even need that updated actually. We can delete it. You can even make this a little bit bigger, something like this, a letter from the author. And this is going to be first, one of the first pages there. And that way, even before reading the book, they can click on join here, or you can, in fact, what you can do, you can say learn more here. That actually is better because you're not telling them that they have to join. Learn more here. Something like this. And then Control K, Command K on the Mac. You can do something like this. And that's kind of what we have. And you're going to put more offers. And then once you get your PLR content or you create your own book, it doesn't need to be a lot of pages. In fact, from the PLR side, you're going to have a ready book, a book that's ready to go. If you want to write it, then you could write it yourself. And this is going to be one of the first pages. So you're going to combine everything together, because when you open your PLR content, you're going to have a lot of pages. And all you have to do is put this page in the beginning. And after you did that, you're going to go File, Download, EPUB. Once you do that, you are going to go into kdp.amazon.com. This is Amazon Self-Publishing. You're going to sign in using your Amazon account. Now, I already have some books here, as you can see. You're going to press this Kindle ebook, and you're going to submit your book for publication. Now, if you want to do a little bit of research, let me show you how this works. You can Google for Amazon Sales Calculator, and so they tell you how many sales, an estimation that book is doing daily, weekly, etc., etc. So if you're doing your niche research, right? So let's say you're Googling for various books, and you type, how to lose weight fast for women, and let's say this is a book, right? You go into book here, and you found this book here. Well, let's say you found this book right here. What you want to do is you want to scroll down where the stats are. You want to scroll down, and when you see this product details, you want to go and you want to see their rank, 2066 in books. And when you Google the result, you're going to find this BSR to sales. This is sales rank, book sales rank to sales calculator. So we're going to type that here. We're going to do that. We're going to calculate sales, and it's telling us it's selling 1,640 copies per month, or one day, about 100 copies per day. Now, if you go back to Amazon, this is the price they're selling it now. They're selling it for $7.99, but Amazon is going to take some fees. So let's say they're making, instead of $8, $5 or $6 or something. So if you multiply 6 times 109, that is how much they're making every single day. All right, so you can kind of round it off. You can just get an idea. And it's as simple as that. Now, if I go down and I just search for details, okay, product details, this book has 433 pages. That's a lot. You don't need to create a book with so many pages. You can create a book with 50 pages, 100 pages. The PLR content is going to have some books that are like 200, 300 pages, which is great. But if you want to do it yourself, you can do 50 pages. You can do, 75. You can do 100. But at least, a decent amount. You don't want to sell an ebook with like 10 pages. You want to have a decent amount that, that allows you to at least provide some value. And then once you do it, once you actually go to and submit it here, you will have stats. You will have various reports that you can go in, and you can see how many books you're selling. And you don't have to do just one book. You can go back to this niche research site, and you don't have to sell just one book. You can go to the most profitable niches page, and you can create weight loss for women, weight loss for men, using the same process, using the same method. You just have to perhaps find different offers, okay? You just have to perhaps find different offers. Or if these offers are for men and women, then that's going to work absolutely fine, right? It's going to be absolutely fine. And I know some people that have like 10 books, 20 books, and each book is making like a few dollars per day. But when you multiply it all together, you really have a nice sum. So even if you're not making $100 per day or $500 per day, even if, let's say, you're making $5 a day, but you have, let's say, 20 books, that's $100 a day. That's $3,000 a month. So that's a really, really good sum. So that is the method that you can go out and implement. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Let me know if you have any concerns about maybe the health niche or another niche. Also, don't forget to give this video a fat like. Leave a comment regardless if you hate it, if you love it. And subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of these kinds of videos. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you real soon.